Hey, what's up, unboxing fans? I'm back with yet another unboxing. This shipped from Ashland, Virginia, and is a Vitamin Shoppe order. So I order every once in a while from vitaminshoppe.com or mainly at the app, and I get some cool stuff. I'm not sponsored by Vitamin Shoppe, although I'd love to be, or any of the products in here, but I'd love to be. So this is something that I've been wanting to try for a long time. I want to say it came out a couple months ago, but this is a Bang Miami Cola. This is really mixed reviews. I do taste testing reviews of just about every single flavor of energy drink that I can come across that's sugar-free. I've tried practically every Bang there is. That sounds really funny, but this is Miami Cola. Some of the reviews I've seen have said it tastes like flat Diet Pop. I love flat Diet Pop, so I'm all about it. I'm not going to do a taste test of this right now. Stay tuned in the next couple days because there will be one posted. I've got another brand new Bang flavor that just came out. This came out like a month ago or so, but there's a brand new one that came out just this month. So there's going to be new taste testing reviews, but you can see every Bang flavor that I've ever tried. There's probably close to 20 I've done a review of, so you can get a grasp on if it's good or not. I mean, or trust my opinion. So you got green bubble wrap stuff. Got info like my address, which I'm not going to show you. Got a coupon, 25% off some, yeah. Oh, $10 off, 40 or more. Can't really beat that. So yeah, thanks a lot for watching my video. Please check out some of my other ones. Subscribe and save. Options on Vitamin Shoppe is a great thing you can do. That's what I do for here. I'm not sponsored once again by Bang or anybody, but if you want to help support my channel, thumbs up, subscribe. You can also cash at me at London Hawthorne. Help me out. Thanks so much for watching. And if you're a company that has a sugar-free energy drink, or maybe you have a shirt or something you want me to sport in a video, slide up in my DMs. Go to riptapparel.com, riptapparel.com, or onceuponatea.net and use my username as your coupon code, London Hawthorne, and you'll save some money off your purchase. That's riptapparel.com or onceuponatea.net. Have a great day.